Our goal is to improvise robotic design with found objects at hand. We use tree branches as a case study object. Our focus is motion generation for found objects without predefined gates. We propose a novel robot design workflow using found objects. We designed 2 types of robots, each of which consists of 3 branches. We tested 30 agents with different reward functions to obtain diverse gates. We observed some infeasible gates in the real robot. 4 major invalid states observed in the simulation. Wiggling and drifting were avoided by the reward function. Balancing and flipping were filtered by manually checking the rendered frames. We manually selected a valid gate and applied it to the real robot. We observed that the real robot successfully moved forward as in the simulator.